You guys got black streaks on the RV, trying to get rid of them? Stick around, I'll show you what I use. Hey guys, welcome back to Why Wait. Today is just gonna be a quick video. We're gonna go over one of my favorite products from Gabe's Pride, and that is their RV black streak cleaner. This stuff is great for removing black streaks and bugs on the front of your camper. Now this is actually the same product that we used to wash the whole camper with. And if you haven't checked out that video, I'll put a link to it right up here. Go check it out. We show you all about their RV streaker cleaner, the foam cannon and everything, and how to get the whole RV from roof to sidewalls cleaned, looking great. But on those days where you just have some black streaks and you just want to do a quick spot wash, this stuff right here is great because all you got to do is spray it on and basically wipe it off, and it just comes in real handy for that. Now I know a lot of you guys probably full-time RV like we do, and if you do, a lot of campgrounds nowadays don't want you washing your rig in the campground. So what's cool about this is you can pretty much do the whole RV with it without using any water if you wanted to, or you can just really get the front cap and the dirty spots just by using this in a couple rags without water. So let me show you how real quick. So I usually just spray it on the spot. As you can see, they just wipe right off. Real easy. Then I take another rag that's usually just damp and wet, and I just go back and just wipe it with the damp rag. Now, if you're allowed to use water after you spray it on and wipe it off, you can use a damp rag, wipe it off, and then go ahead and take your hose and rinse it off. But like I said, in many instances, you just can't use a hose nowadays in RV parks. They don't want you washing it. So this is just a quick way to keep things looking clean in between the major washes. And we'll show you another quick spot up here. Either spray it on the rag or spray it directly on. Take your damp cloth, go back, wipe it off. There you go, looking good. Now as you can see, the difference between what I just did, took me about 30 seconds to clean this section, and over here, what we didn't do, you can still see all the black streaks coming down. By the way, if you guys haven't heard of Gabe's Pride, they've been in the cleaning business for over 50 years now. They're just now starting to switch over into RV cleaning products. Amazing company. We've partnered up with them for over a year now. Been testing their products. We love their stuff. Everything is made in the USA. They're based out of New York. They're environmentally responsible products. So if you have kids and pets, everything's super safe. And we have a whole playlist of videos of us testing their products over that time. So make sure you go check out that playlist. I'll put a link up to it over here. What we have right here is a bathroom cleaner, which is excellent in the bathroom, great on the shower and all that. But there's also a little trick that I like to use on the outside of the RV to get a little certain spot that nothing else seems to ever work on. So come check this out. Now, if you guys can see some of this right here, this is not the same thing as cleaning like a black streak or dirt off your camper. What this actually is, this is from your slide outs pressing up against the rubber seals. I've tried everything to get this off. Take a little bit of Gabe's Pride bathroom cleaner and just rub it right on there. And it's one of the few things I've found that gets that clean. When I talked to Gabe's Pride, they told me about this little trick. I was a little skeptical because I did tell them about how I can't find a product to ever get those rubber streaks off inside here. And they told me to check out the bathroom cleaner, and voila, this stuff works great. I still got a little bit left on here, and you can just get that right off of there. It's the only product I found that takes care of that one spot. So if that's a problem area for your RV and it drives you nuts like it drives me nuts, even though it's on the inside of your slide out, I can't stand having all that black goo and residue there. Definitely check out the bathroom cleaner for that. And I mean, you're gonna get an amazing bathroom cleaner out of it as well. So, and that's just a couple quick tips from us using Gabe's Pride's fantastic products. Be sure to check them out. I got a promo code down below. As always, get out there, start your full-time RV adventure, because why wait? We'll see you guys next time. And by the way, a portion of all of Gabe's Pride's proceeds goes to the Honor Network. And if you guys don't know what that is, check it out below down in our video description. It's a great cause to get behind, and it's something that we can really get behind, and we really like that. So make sure you go check that out. Click on the video description below and go read and check out about the Honor Network.